Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most iconic cars of the 1970s, the 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle. Known for its quirky looks, reliable engineering, and timeless charm, the Super Beetle represents an evolution of the classic VW Beetle, with a few important updates that set it apart. Exterior. On the outside, the 1974 Super Beetle carries the unmistakable Beetle silhouette we all know: round fenders, bug-eyed headlights, and the charming curved roofline. But the Super Beetle had some noticeable differences from the standard Beetle. The front end was stretched slightly to accommodate a redesigned McPherson strut suspension, which improved handling and provided more trunk space. For 1974 specifically, Volkswagen introduced larger energy-absorbing bumpers with black rubber impact strips to meet U.S. safety regulations. These bumpers stick out more compared to earlier models but are now a signature detail of mid-70s Beetles. Buyers could get the Super Beetle in both sedan and convertible body styles, with plenty of vibrant 70s paint colors, everything from bright yellow and orange to classic pastel blues and greens. Interior. Inside, the 1974 Super Beetle offered a more practical and slightly more refined cabin compared to the standard model. The big change was the redesigned curved dashboard with a padded surface for safety, as well as larger, more modern-looking air vents. The seating was simple but comfortable, with vinyl upholstery that could withstand daily use. In the back, 2 passengers could fit, though space was tight as you'd expect in a compact car. One of the advantages of the Super Beetle was the increased trunk space under the front hood, thanks to the longer nose and new suspension design. This made the car surprisingly practical for grocery runs or luggage on a road trip. Performance. Under the rear engine lid, the 1974 Super Beetle was powered by Volkswagen's trusty 1.6-liter flat-4 engine, producing around 60 horsepower. It's air-cooled, meaning no radiator up front, which kept the design simple and reliable. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the car wasn't fast, with a top speed of about 80 miles per hour, but it was never meant to be a performance machine. Instead, the Beetle was all about durability, fuel economy, and ease of maintenance. Thanks to the McPherson strut suspension, the Super Beetle rode smoother than the standard Beetle and had better handling on highways, making it a little more comfortable for long drives. The 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle was a car designed for the people, affordable, easy to maintain, and full of personality. While it wasn't powerful, it offered practicality, reliability, and a driving experience that felt unique compared to anything else on the road. Today, the Super Beetle is a beloved classic, cherished by collectors and enthusiasts for its vintage style and timeless charm. Whether you see it cruising at a car show or hear its unmistakable engine buzzing down the street, the 1974 Super Beetle will always put a smile on your face. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. What's your favorite Beetle memory? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.